Hi, I'm Daryl Guppy, and I've been a successful independent trader for more than 20 years. I don't trade other people's money, so losing trades hit my wallet. When I trade, I have to make sure it's the real deal, and not some fancy sound good system that fails as soon as you apply it to the market. You may read one of my books, or watch me do live charting on CNBC's Asia Squawk Box. I'm not just a chart man, I'm a trader, and that means applying technical analysis and chart analysis to deliver profitable trading results. I've been invited to speak in more than 18 countries. In my 9 books, I've shared the essentials of my trading techniques and the specialist indicators that I've developed. The Guppy Multiple Moving Average, or the GMMA, is one of my best known indicators, and its construction details are in the public domain. The Antssys suite of trading solutions uses the GMMA to boost trading returns. Stay with me for a few minutes. I'll explain this breakthrough and what it means for FX trading profits. The GMMA indicator tracks the structure of trend behaviour and identifies changes so you can trade better with trades that have a higher probability of success. The result you see on the screen is deceptively simple, but it brings together the essentials of complex mathematics behind chaos and complexity theory. The GMMA captures the fractal repetition behaviour in the market, and it identifies key points where the probability of trend change is at its largest. It defines the range and the amplitude of trend behaviour. Up until now, how you trade that trend change has been very much up to you. Not anymore. The Antssys suite delivers exact trading signals where the probability of trend change is at its highest. The Antssys suite brings together several streams of work that we've been doing since the new markets emerged after the global financial crisis. Markets change. The structure of markets change. The methods of analysis must also change, and this requires the modification of existing indicators. The GMMA is a robust indicator, but changing market conditions call for some refinements. The Antssys suite is the biggest advance in the GMMA since I first made it public more than 15 years ago. But more of that in a moment. First, some background. Many people come to me looking for collaboration. What made this different when the Antssys team contacted me? They showed me the Antssys in live trading. Anyone who was confident enough to open up an FX chart in real time and show me the application of their indicator on a live market deserves my attention. The little triangles, the ants, were crawling over a GMMA chart, and I quickly recognised indicator gold when I saw it. The Antssys team had quite independently exposed the indicator gold that we've been searching for. Let me explain. So how does Antssys fit into the GMMA, and why is it such a revolutionary leap forward? In addition to the application of fractal theory to trade identification, the GMMA provides clues to the range and amplitude of trend activity. These were the features we've been exploring independently of the Antssys team, because we could see the gleam of a nugget of gold. But you know how it is. The answer is so obvious when someone else points it out. Antssys catapulted our research forward. Range and amplitude in the trend are the keys to this advance. The foundation rests on the underlying Superguppy indicator. Again, this is a simple display that is an accumulation of some complex mathematics. It provides an environmental background for Antssys. The Superguppy doesn't track price in the same way as GMMA. It takes a new step in capturing trend. The Superguppy is directly related to the range of price, and this gives more accurate measurement of the amplitude of the trend. In turn, this sets the framework for more effective stop loss and protect profit stops. You get in earlier and you get out later with fewer false signals. Sorry, I'm not going to give you the full details here. This is proprietary intellectual property. The Antssys algorithm operating with the Superguppy puts exact entry and exit points directly related to the amplitude of the trade. These ants crawl over the trend, confirming and reconfirming that the trade is on the correct side of the trend. Range, amplitude, and reversal. It's everything you need to know about the trend. Reversal means it's time to get out. This is not a simple stop and reverse decision. It's time to take profits, but not to open a new position in the reverse direction. We push the collaboration with the Antssys team further to develop better reversal and exit signals. The Antssys suite provides 2 types of reversal signals captured in unique algorithms. Again, I can't tell you the exact details. These are proprietary algorithms that have been painstakingly developed and exhaustively tested and tested again with personal money. The first suite of reversal or exit signals is based on advanced statistical observations about trend stability and behaviour. This element of the suite puts the balance of probability firmly on your side. The second suite of reversal or exit signals completes the price range analysis with a self-adjusting volatility-based stop loss. No, this is not the countback line. It's an advance on the countback line technique and combines this with a modification of average true range calculations. The step lines on the chart are deceptively simple, and that's great. I need clear signals when I trade. In a fast-moving FX market, I don't have time to weigh up fuzzy signals. The step guidelines work alongside the ants. Okay, that's enough of the theory. Here's some example of ants in action.
The 3-2-1 system in the Ant System trading suite is a short-term trading opportunity system. It's designed to pick up smaller moves in the FX market that will give us 20 to 30 pips a trade. This is bread and butter that helps to grow wealth. The system works with a series of confirmation between a long-term, medium-term and short-term Ants chart. We begin with the confirmation in the long-term chart. We see that the blue fast guppy has compressed and begun to turn downwards, while the Superguppy remains fairly separated. We then change to the medium-term chart to confirm the direction of the trend. Again, we can see that on the medium-term chart, the fast guppy and the Superguppy have begun to turn downwards and separate. This is further confirmed with the red ants firing on the medium-term chart. We then go to the short-term chart for our entry. This is one of the most important charts as it shows us the short-term trend direction. On the short-term chart, we can see the red ants firing and the fast guppy and the Superguppy turning downwards and separating. Having the confirmation of trend direction on all three charts increases the probability of success and allows us to capture the short-term price movement. This is not the ETT system where we're looking for long-term moves of 80 to 100 pips a trade. This is a short-term trading that lets us get 20 to 30 pips in the bank and we're done. We use an ATR stop loss on the medium chart to protect trading capital and reduce our trading risk even further. The Ants envelope trading technique is a longer-term trading technique. This is not holding a position for days at a time. The technique is designed to capture the longer-term momentum moves in the FX market to take 60 or 80 or 100 pips. Coupled with the 3-2-1 system, the ETT system bolsters our total profit by giving us high probability trades that supplement the regular pip generation of the 3-2-1 system. If we look at the Ants chart, we can see that the price has entered an OBSOS or overbought oversold situation on the long-term Ants chart. The OBOS lines are the light grey lines at the bottom of the chart. When the price is at this level, there is a high probability that it will return to the trading range in the middle of the chart. Additionally, both the orange Superguppy and the blue fast guppy are very widely separated. This shows the chart is primed for a rally. The OBOS lines are set with a proprietary calculation. When price does begin to move up the long-term chart, we then change to a short-term chart to find our entry. We're looking for a rally, so we wait until we get a green ant fire coupled with the expansion of the fast guppy and the Superguppy on the short-term chart. This is confirmation of the rally. We then go back to the long-term chart to trade the longer-term trend. We use an ATR line as our trailing stop loss, and again, price closes below this level, we exit the trade. In this example, we take 72 pips. The ATR calculation is a proprietary calculation as well. Just like the previous example, we can see the same situation developing on this chart. We have a wide separation in the Superguppy and the fast guppy on the long-term Ants chart. Price has hit the OBOS area, and we're looking to go short as the price moves back towards the trading range. This chart is again primed for a retracement. When the price starts to move down on the long-term Ants chart, we change to a short-term Ants chart and look for the red ants to fire. When we see the red ant, we enter and change back to a long-term Ants chart, where we use the ATR line as our trailing stop loss. Once price closes above this level, we exit with 80 pips in the bank. The Ants ETT system uses the high probability that price must return to the medium when it has reached the overbought or oversold condition. By utilising the Ants entry, we get a low risk entry. We are able to confidently trade this longer term price movement. The mathematics behind the Ants system is complex, but we've developed the signals to be simple and clear. Wide separation in the guppies. The mathematics of the OBSO situation is also a little complex, but again, we've developed this so the signals are simple and clear. Price in an OBOS situation, and then we look for a change in the direction. We enter when the ants fire. We exit on the ATR break. This is what traders need, and this is what Antssys delivers.
In the market, price tells all, but range analysis distills the essence of trend behaviour. The Ant suite was first built on the eSignal platform, so it's the perfect match. The Ant suite available on the eSignal platform extracts this information from the market and displays the results as clear trading signals. The Ant suite brings the GMMA fully into the new markets of the 21st century. It's been a giant leap forward in my personal FX trading. I believe it will add exceptional value to your FX trading. I encourage you to take the 30-day trial and see for yourself. I wish you every success. Trade well.